today's fast-paced business landscape, customer service teams are facing pressure to deliver greater value to customers faster, all while keeping costs low, and without compromising on quality experiences, of course. That sounds easy, right? Zendesk stands out as the best customer service software for addressing these needs. It's simple to use to boost productivity and comes with everything you need to provide great service out of the box, so you can move at the speed of your customers. You can deliver personalized support on any channel with a full view of the customer and unlock actionable data and interactions. AI is built in to help you deliver high-quality experiences at scale, and there's no hidden fees or technical resources required to keep costs low. Just look at Forrester. Its total economic impact study showed a 286% return on investment from Zendesk over 3 years. Not too shabby. Zendesk is all about helping you dance the dance of customer service most efficiently, with software that's open, flexible, and extendable. This is why we've compiled a list of the top integrations. Here we go. First up, Slack. Best for agent collaboration. We all know it, use it, and love it. Integrating Slack with Zendesk fosters a collaborative environment for customer service teams. For example, teams can connect with experts in Slack right from Zendesk. Next, we have SweetHawk. This integration introduces timing functions for tickets, robust feedback collection, and streamlines ticket management. Another great integration would be Shopify, best for retail companies. View your customers' billing, shipping, and order details, and handle returns and exchanges all within Zendesk, helping you to deliver more personalized and efficient support. Finally, TeamViewer. TeamViewer is the go-to for remote support and desktop sharing, letting agents guide customers through technical hiccups, like how to share your screen with your mom. Love all these customer service solutions? I know you do. I can feel it. So just to recap, you can use all these with Zendesk and get them from the Zendesk Marketplace. To learn more and take a free trial, all you gotta do is click the link, it's right here, and that's it. We'll see you soon.